Luma's latest Ray2 AI video model is here, and it brings some noticeable improvements over its predecessors. But does it set a new standard for AI video generation? In this video, we'll explore what makes the Ray2 model stand out, its limitations, and how it compares to Kling AI, one of the most respected platforms in the AI video field. To use the Ray2 model, head over to lumalabs.ai and click the Try Out button to log in or create a new account. Then scroll down to the AI video generator right here. Inside the prompt box, enter what you'd like the AI to generate. Then use the model selector to choose video generation and make sure you select the new Ray2 video model. You also have options for changing the aspect ratio. Ray2 excels in handling dynamic camera movements and maintaining consistency throughout a scene. Whether it's tracking an object in motion or adding depth to a cinematic environment, this model creates videos that feel lively and engaging. One of its most impressive features is its ability to capture human faces in close-ups. The details in expressions and emotions are sharp and lifelike, adding a layer of realism that earlier models struggled to achieve. Another highlight is how well it interprets textures and environmental elements. For example, it can simulate intricate details like water droplets on a surface, rain effects, or reflections. These fine touches give the videos a polished cinematic vibe, making them visually appealing for users looking to create compelling content. Despite its strengths, Ray2 has some noticeable limitations. The model struggles with full body movements and larger, more dynamic scenes. For instance, when a person is walking or running, there are visible distortions in body proportions. Feet may slide unnaturally on the ground, and body parts can appear twisted or misaligned during rapid movements. This issue becomes more prominent in scenes that demand realistic physics, such as a character interacting with their environment. Another area where Ray2 shows instability is in video length. While it supports creating videos up to 10 seconds, maintaining consistency beyond 5 or 6 seconds becomes a challenge. Midway through longer videos, scenes often start to morph or shift unexpectedly, affecting the overall quality. When comparing Ray2 with Kling AI, both models have their strengths and weaknesses. Ray2 has a clear advantage in interpreting complex prompts involving larger movements or dramatic environmental changes. For instance, it can generate scenes with dynamic motion and shifting camera angles that feel immersive. However, Kling AI focuses on subtler, more refined actions and often delivers better results when it comes to body coherency and background sharpness. Currently, Ray2 generates videos in 720p resolution. While this is sufficient for many use cases, it falls short of the higher resolutions offered by some other platforms. The model supports videos lasting 5 to 10 seconds, but as mentioned earlier, consistency issues can arise in longer clips. For now, users should focus on shorter videos for the best results. As of now, Ray2 is in its early release phase and is available exclusively to paid users. Luma has teased several upcoming features, including image-to-video generation, which could significantly expand the tool's versatility. While the current version shows promise, it's clear that there's room for improvement, especially in terms of stability and handling more complex scenes. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and share it with anyone interested in AI video generation. Don't forget to subscribe for more AI tool reviews and tutorials. If you want to see the best open source AI lip sync video tool, check out this video here. And if you're interested in generating unlimited AI voice and cloning, watch this video of mine right here. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.